Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fillable text box inside of PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I found the best way to do this is to open up the web browser and not use the app. So go to pdfgear.com. Then once we're here, click on the PDF online tools, hover your mouse over that tab, and then look for create fillable PDF. Now we've got two options here, so we can select a PDF file from your computer or we can start with a blank PDF. I'm going to go ahead and choose start with a blank PDF. So as you can see here, I'm going to create a fillable PDF. So now from here we can go ahead and start adding some stuff in this PDF. So we got a text box we can add password, checkbox, radio button, drop down, a list box, add signature, and we can check out the page thumbnails if you've got more than one page. So if you want to go ahead and add a text box, we can. So we can add it like that. We can move that around like so. Now you can zoom in using control and your mouse wheel to view it a bit better. Now if you want to go ahead and make that larger, we can. I can go ahead and drag that out to kind of be like the header here, and I can drag that out too. Now if you want to go ahead and edit the fields, we can just double click into it. We can change the name here, so I can change this to test. Value, we've got visible, form visibility, we've got appearance as well. We can change their height, so if I want to make it a bit larger, I can. So I want to make it 36 points, change the font, max character length, going to keep that center and make that bold, so click OK. Now once you've created your fillable PDF, you can also go ahead and download it by clicking download PDF, and that's going to download that as a new document on your PC.